Hi guys, and welcome to another video. In this one we will try to answer a very simple question. Is SERV, SERV Robotics, a good day trading stock? Good is a very very flexible definition, but let's apply very simple techniques. Look at the outcome of the movement in the stock over the last couple of days and see if it's worth our attention. So SERV, if we look at the daily chart, horrible downtrend until the beginning of April. Then the stock started to move sideways. This $5 support level held beautifully, and then we started to see this climb through 6, 7, 750, and in the last week following some news and a big pickup in volume over 10 towards 12, maybe more later, but that's beside the point. We as short-term trader are interested in one thing: can or should we focus and observe the intraday price action in this stock? And the answer basically is, if we're looking only at the daily chart, the answer must be no. Why is that? Because we see that the big range days, meaning $1 plus to $2, are very sparse. They're coming once every 3 weeks, 4 weeks, sometimes even more. So we had since the leg down at the beginning of the year, we had only 2 positive green days that were above average in terms of volume and trading range, and only one out of those, the one that is the reason why we are basically looking at this stock last week. Hold on a second. This is the one on on May 22nd. Managed to close to gap up and close almost at the highs of the day. I mean, there was another nice move late April, but the stock did not close at the highs of the day, and then continued the uptrend. But again, we're looking first at the most important move for us, which is the initial move, and then if there is continuation, so be it, but the initial move is the most important. And you can see that we do have higher lows and I would say even higher highs, type of a channel here. Let me try and draw it more accurately. So we do have an uptrending channel. That's actually a good thing for swing traders. Imagine being in this stock from this 7 or 750 reversal play. That would have been nice. But let's go back to our business, which is day trading. So let's analyze the trading day of May 22nd, which was or is the reason why we're basically talking about SERV. So a gap up and go, that was the signal. Basically the signal is super important, because without the signal no one knows that this stock actually exists. And the signal was basically here, this 1080 or maybe 11 play higher. So from 1080 or 11 heading into 12, then a pullback, and late in the afternoon another leg up, which was nice. Again, the technicalities are good, the risks very measured at times. Our problem with this stock is not necessarily the risks, is the reward, but it has good intraday technicalities. The question is in today's market where there are so many intraday trading opportunities, you want to spend time on SERV, and I have to say upfront no, but if there is a reason, meaning a huge pickup in volume, like the one that we saw last Thursday, and the volume was 16 million shares versus an average of or 5 or 6, so it was more than 200% pickup in volume, and then the byproduct of the volume is the increased range. Then the answer may be yes, it's worth watching and trading if you find the right entry point. Otherwise, without this pickup in volume and trading range prerequisite, I don't see it as a candidate for day trading stock. Having said that, it can be maybe a great candidate with this whole robotics sector picking up alongside Nvidia. Maybe the direction is not necessarily day trading it, maybe swing trading it. Okay guys, I will post in the description below some news regarding this stock, and hope it was a bit enlightening. Keep in mind that we have so many trading candidates on a daily basis. We need to be very, very picky, and again, given the right opportunity, SERV can be a trading candidate. Upfront, the answer should be basically no. Thanks, and see you in the next video. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks a lot, guys.